Did you know that you can turn your passion for design into a profitable venture? Today, I want to share an incredible opportunity with you, making money by creating birthday cards and greeting cards in Canva and selling them on Zazzle. If you love spreading joy through personalized cards, this is the perfect venture for you. So, let us dive right in. Before we jump into the strategies, let me introduce you to the amazing potential of Canva and Zazzle. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that empowers you to create stunning graphics and personalized cards. Zazzle, on the other hand, is an online marketplace where you can sell your creative designs. So are you ready to make money with Zazzle? So let's dive right in. First of all, to create a birthday cards or any type of cards, we need to open Canva website. So this is the home page of the Canva. Now to create a birthday card, search birthday cards in the search bar here. And here Canva give us so many ready-made templates which we can use as it is, or we can use by doing some editing in it. But the problem is all the template are not free, some of are paid one like this one. Those templates which have Pro sign in it, it is only for the Canva Pro users. But there are also many free templates which you can use in your design. Now if you want to create your own design, click on Create Design. Then choose Costume Size. And select the size. Then start designing. First of all, I'm going to select background color from the color palette. Then click on Elements to add other designs in card. Let us add this box over here. Change the color. Now let us write birthday in search box to find some design related to birthday. And here Canva show us so many options which we can use in our card. So let's add this one. I think this color is not looking good, so let us change this one. Now let us add one their designs. You can also change the color of this graphic according to your design. Now to write something here, go to the text and choose your text. And write whatever you want to write. Now let us add another page for the back side of the card. Again, go to the element and add designs. I'm going to select anything from this because I'm just trying to show you how you can add anything or adjust it. Now let us add the border to add a photo in the birthday card. There are many options available here. Select any of this. Now let us download this. To download this, click on the Share button. Then click on Download. And download both pages one by one. Now the next to sell this card, open Zazzle.com. And then sign your account. I already sign in my account, so I don't need to sign in this again. Then click on Create. Select this blank product option. And then write birthday cards. Here Zazzle shows us blank cards in different sizes and shapes. Choose the right format according to your card. I'm going to select this one. Then click on Customize this design. And here upload your card image. Then click on Done. To sell this, click on Sell It. Oops, we forget to add back image. Let us edit this. We can also add text here, so let us add. And there are many other options are available like font size, color, scale, etc. On the left side there are also many other options like elements, icons, background, product, layers, etc. Now click on Done. And sell it. Now here we have to write our product title. Then choose right option from this box. Like whether it is for 1 birthday or 21 birthday. Then write product description in detail. You can also use ChatGPT for all these things. Let us move ahead. Then add tags which helps shopper find your product. Then select this options. Then add royalty percentage. And then post it. So, this is how you can easily make money with Zazzle and Canva. If you found any valuable information in this video, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. So, this is how you can easily make money with Zazzle and Canva. If you found any valuable information in this video,